susimulan yung pelikula. Yun. So, ako proud ako sa kanya doon. Kasi, ang tagal ko nang hinihingi yun sa kanya. Na sa kanya manggaling from the start, ano yung pupuntahan namin kwento. In terms of compromises, marami. Hindi naman pwedeng wala. Marami sa mga eksena, sa mga linya. Pero lahat naman yun, palagi kami ni Direk Cathy, ang philosophy namin dyan, kung ano yung lalabas sa pelikula, yun yung winil na magiging pelikula. So kung nung pinanood namin, syempre lahat kami takot. Understatement yung sinasabi ni John Lloyd na skeptical, terrified. Siguro kung may word yung terrified talaga. As in, ito siguro yung pelikula na sobra akong terrified na sa magiging reaction ng mga tao from the start. Nung ginagawa pa lang, nung sinabi pa lang magkakaroon ng sequel. Ay, diba? Hindi ka na nakaka-paralyze at times. Pero when we watch the movie, after seeing it, nung ano pa lang, hindi pa premiere, nung post-prod, pagkanood namin, nasabi ko na kay Direk, you have a beautiful movie. So, happy ako after watching it. After everything that we went through, from conceptualization up to the end, I told her we have a beautiful movie and I thanked her for creating that movie.
Miss Van?
Ano sabi nila?
Nagtawag si Chris.
Hindi, parang sabi nila lahat. I think in every project you have to consider, that's not just your movie. I think when One More Chance came out, it ceased to be just our movie. It became your movie. And so coming into this movie, we had to take all of you into consideration. Like, what would you want to see? What are you expecting? Especially for One More Chance kasi it raised the bar in terms of idealism and romanticism for a lot of people. Diba? But we also had to tell a story that was going to be truthful, not only to the characters, but to all of us that are part of it, diba? Who were making it. And so it was always a constant discussion of the scenes, what we were going to put in there. At some point, kung tinatanong mo yung compromise, meron talaga umabot sa point na nakatingin kaming lahat sa whiteboard at nagsabi kami, teka lang, eto na ang kailangan natin gawin. Kasi kailangan mong i-honor yung audience din. We came to that point. And it hurt, sobra. Because parang, ito yung gusto mo eh. Pero, di ba, hindi naman kami nag-ano na parang ang pakialam lang namin kung ano yung gusto namin ikwento. Kailangan rin kung ano yung gusto nyo makita ng kwento. So, umabot kami doon. But yun nga, like Carmi was saying, we're all grateful that it is the movie that it is. And I remember Carmi was texting me at one point. Sabi niya, oh, ito na, tapos na yung movie. Tapos sabi ko, I asked her, oh, how is it? Tapos sabi niya, maganda. Ang point nga ng pelikula to, embrace what is eh. And this is what is.
Actually, yung making ng movie, parang nireflect din yung sinabi ng pelikula. Kasi, I remember one night, yung lahat tayo nag-bonding sa Linden, sa isang hotel room, lahat kami, pinatawag ni Direk yung buong cast and yung ibang staff. Tapos yun, naglatagan na kami, doon na na-confront yung mga takot.
Medyo nagtataasan na kami ng boses doon.
Doon na nagkalabasan ng mga takot, gagawin ba natin to, hindi tatalon ba tayo or hindi. Na siguro yun din yung naging, in hindsight, yun yung naging journey din ng mag-asawa, di ba? Ni Popo at ni Basha, parang coming from the high of getting back together, na feeling mo wala nang magkakamali, di ba? Yun na yun eh. Yun na, di ba? Perfect na. Tapos ito ulit, sasabak ulit, di ba? Yung takot nilang dalawa, nireflect nila yung takot din ng mga gumawa. Di ba? Na magkamali, baka hindi tayo pwede magkamali, ganyan. Matatanggap ba ng tao kung may pagkakamali? At the end of it, yung naging journey ni Popo at ni Basha, yun din yung naging journey ng paggawa ng pelikula. May disappointments, di ba? May disappointments sa amin, may disappointments sa lahat, may pinagdaanan kaming mga problema, pero at the end of it, yung naging realization ng acceptance of what is. Di ba? Embracing what is, kung ano yung lumabas, mamahalin mo siya for what it is.
And not only, I guess, more than the embracing the what is, di ba, marriage is about really two people deciding to journey together in life. So when we all said yes, that meant yes, all throughout. So, if someone was getting lost, it was a matter of, wait lang, okay, let's go back here. It's like, literal kasi, di ba, ang dami sa pelikula, naghahawakan ng kamay eh. Parang ganun lang naman eh. O tatalon ka, ito gusto mo, sasamahan kita. Pero, kung gusto tayong dalawa, dito tayo pupunta ha.